Good morning. The last time we were together, we focused on finishing carving our pumpkin. So today, what we're going to focus on is on the top. We want to have this lovely organic vine thing. Creating organic shapes in tinkercad takes a little bit more work than you're used to, but we're going to make a good shot at it. So we're going to create a new design, and we're going to go to that shape that we created at the very beginning called uh, cutter, pumpkin cutter. We're going to place that on the build plate. We might as well make it green because that's what we're going to be working on. Now, this could be the stump that would go on the top, just like this. If you made it a little smaller, it would be fine. But we don't want that. We want something really cool like this, sort of nightmare before Christmas type thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this shape and we're going to copy it. And we're going to paste it right next to it. And then we're going to make it a little bit smaller by shift. And now we're going to take this shape and align it to the first one. You want to make sure you align it to both ways. Now you'll notice there's a line here. See that line? That we need to get rid of. And there's a couple of ways we can get rid of it. We're going to click on the bottom shape and make the bottom shape smaller. Ooh. And then we're going to click on the top shape and we're going to make the top shape smaller. And then we're going to align it until it just, we're going to move it down, move the top shape down until you just see a little bit of the line. Now remember, you can move in on your shapes by clicking this button here. It moves in so you can see a little bit better. We want to get those just aligned. Now watch what happens. When I click on this, that's too low and this is too high. We can change that by this snap grid. I want you to turn that right off. You're going to use your mouse to eye align this. And what we want when we're done here is a very small little swoop without the line, if we can get it like that. Now, you can't really tell. Let me change the color of this so you can tell. At this point, this curves in just a little bit. That's what we're looking for. Then we're going to group this shape together. Oh, make sure it's aligned first. It is. Group it together. Then we're going to take that shape, copy it, and paste it. And we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did before. We want to make this a little smaller, a little shorter. Wait. Oh, why didn't it group? There it is. I must have made two of them. And we're going to make this one a little narrower and smaller. And I'm going to change the color so I know where I am. I'm going to align these two shapes. Okay, that's starting to look pretty good. And I'm going to group both of those shapes. Now you're starting to see the sort of organic arc swoop in kind of thing. Since I have this one here, I'll use this one as well. Going to do it again. Make it smaller. Make it narrower. I didn't make it narrow enough. Let's align this so I can see where I am with this. Oops, Did not align. Make this one a little fatter. Sorry. And as you resize and reshape it, make sure you keep aligning it. And then checking to make sure that you don't have like an extra line in there that you don't want. It takes a little bit of work to get this right. It's worth taking the time for it. As you can see now, we're starting to see sort of an organic swoop up on this. That's what we're looking for. So I'm going to copy that, paste that again, make it much smaller and taller. Stick that back in there. Change the color so that I can see where I am, and keep doing the same thing. Eventually you're going to get a nice swooped up sort of organic shape, and that is really what we want. Something that looks like this. It's very hard to create this, so don't feel bad if you're getting a little frustrated. It'll be worth it in the end. I'm going to do one more paste here. Should probably get this out of the way. Don't rush yourself on this one, okay? I'm kind of showing you the technique of trying to make it look like it really is just an organic shape. As you go along. Almost done. That's probably about perfect. Okay, let's make this whole thing green and group it. Now, that looks like something that grew up out of something organic. The next shape that we're going to get, we're going to go over to our basic shapes again. Click on that so you know where you are. You're going to hit the search bar, and you're going to look for a specific shape called a corneum. C-O-R-N-E-U-M. Corneum. It's a very strange looking shape. It's not going to render on here for some reason. But when you put this on your build plate, there it is. When you put this guy on your build plate, you'll see that it looks like our swooped part of our pumpkin here. And that's where I'm going to pick it up next time.